So I have an idea, and it's kind of crazy. Hey everyone, just checking in with you. It is now, thankfully, summer, finally. I am all sorts of wrung out tired, but I wanted to check in with you guys because I'm already starting to think about the new school year. I know, I'm sorry, I don't stop. So even though I'm tired, witness all of this, I still am really excited about an idea I had, and I wanted to run it by my blog and YouTube friends to see if you think I'm crazy or if this is like a super awesome idea. Okay, so I'm thinking that I want to spend this summer getting ready for the new school year. In addition to all of my real life work stuff and life stuff and all my online stuff, I want to add in a brand new high school English online experience for folks. It's kind of crazy and very ambitious, but 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, for the new school year, I want to take little bits and pieces of my actual English class and share them with the world. So I feel like I kind of spun my wheels with 20 Time this past spring with the fiction writing piece, which was good. And I learned a lot, but I didn't feel like I really accomplished much. By the way, my friend Irene, who was writing the romance novel, she just finished, like completely finished her first draft. And so the whole writing group's going to get together on Sunday night and take a look at it, which is pretty rad stuff. But I didn't finish, and I didn't build anything really concrete. And so I think that I want to do something big. And what I've found is that on YouTube, I've been spotty at best. You guys know this, right? Like I get busy and then I just can't post, and then I post in a burst and then I'm busy again. So I thought, what if I make a commitment to post 3 times a week? I do some grammar work with everyone on Monday. I do some vocab work on Wednesdays. And then Fridays are just kind of a potpourri of experiences, whatever can fit kind of from my real world into this video magic box that we have right here. I think it could be kind of awesome. What I've been noticing is more and more as my little tiny channel grows a little bit, not just teachers are watching my videos, but kids are. So I've been getting some comments from, I'm guessing, high school age kids, teenagers, who are like, thanks for that writing tip. I got a good grade on my paper, or this really helped me. You explained it in a way that really makes sense to me. And I'm like, oh my gosh, there's high school kids watching my videos for high school teachers. Or maybe they want to be a teacher someday, and so they're watching the videos for that. I've just been blown away the fact that the power of this medium to connect all of us. And so what if I could do what I do in real life in little tiny nuggets of awesome? I'm thinking I might use them as future flipped video content for my own uses with my own future students. But I also thought, man, I've got this just deep well of slides to share, background knowledge, lectures, just stuff, stories that I could probably put out in little drops. So that's my plan. I think this summer I'm going to do the prep work for the video series, which will drop 3 times a week. Is that crazy? 3 videos a week? They won't be super long. It's not like a whole hour-long English class. I'm thinking like 10 to 15 minutes or so, like mugshots, mechanics, usage, and grammar, like mugshot Mondays, words on Wednesday, doing those high-level SAT vocab words, going deep on those, and then just like freestyle Friday, whatever I come up with. So I want to know, 1, what you think of that. 2, what would you want me to fold into that, keeping in mind that they're going to be bite-sized nuggets of high school English? Do you think I'm crazy? So what are you guys doing this summer? Let me know what you're doing. Please tell me you're doing something fun. For me, summer vacation has never been vacation. I don't really like to travel. I'm kind of a homebody, and I like to work and build things. So that's generally what I tend to do on my summer vacation. It just means Laura's working full time at all of this kind of online stuff I do. And this summer is kind of crazy because I'm actually teaching classes at our library all summer long. So I have a lot going on there. And then my daughter is taking jumpstart classes at the community college, even though she's not old enough to drive herself yet to the community college, which means that I'm going to have her there at 8 a.m. 4 mornings a week. All summer long, Monday through Thursday. There will be no sleeping in. Not that I sleep in anyway. But anyway, so I was just thinking there's going to be this huge block of time where I'm just cooling my heels at the community college, waiting for my kid to get out of class. And I thought, how cool if I could just like make video prep slides and then just like finish them up and drop them all year long as I'm going through stuff, then I just condense and tweak a little bit and put it out there for you. So that's what's happening in my mind. It's sort of like a year-long 20-time experience, and that it's just a passion project. I want to share what's in here with all you guys out there. That's it for my video. Just giving you a heads up. I'm thinking of slightly changing the direction of the YouTube channel and taking on this monster project. What do you think? Is that a cool idea? Is that crazy? I plan, unless I just completely change my mind, but I'm feeling like this is a really good use of my time. I'm feeling like I'll begin dropping videos on April 12th, the week of April 12th, that Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then just kind of keep it rolling all school year long. Oh, hold up. Clearly my brains are like oatmeal right now because I just said April 12th and I mean August 12th, the beginning of the school year, the week of August 12th. They go, because that's actually before the school year starts. So that gives me like a little bit of a ramp up head start, which is a good thing. All right, so stay tuned. What that means for the summer, I'll still be working on the blog. By all means, always visit me at the blog. The link is down there. Whenever I come across something cool that I want to share with you guys, I'm always like putting it out there. So definitely check me out there. Video content, probably not a lot this summer because I'm gearing up for the fall. All right, that's it for me. I hope you guys are at summer vacation or so close. You can make it. Just get through finals. You're almost there. State testing's done. You got this. All right, you guys, that's it for me. I will see you in the comment section, and 93% likely the week of August 12th. How do you like that? No, I'm going to do it. The reason I'm making this video is accountability. So I'm going to do it. So if I post this video, if you're seeing this, oh, it is on. I'm going to happen. August 12th, look for a year-long high school English on YouTube. Okay, thanks guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.